While there are two T20 Torx screws holding the light assembly in the trunk above the license plate, red arrow, if you need to replace the bulbs, I do not recommend removing these. The entire assembly can break the clips and damage the paint. Instead, remove the trunk panel and change out the bulbs in under an hour. Open the trunk and remove the 4 T20 Torx screws on the trim piece, red arrows. On the back side of the trim piece are 3 push-pull pins, red arrows, that you will need to remove. Use a trim removal tool and pull the center part of the clip from the base. Then pull the base and the center pin section out. This is what the push-pull pins look like out of the vehicle. When installing, push the base in first and then the center pin section to lock it in place. You can now lower the trim piece and disconnect the trunk light by squeezing in the connection tab and separating them, red arrow. Use your trim removal tool and remove the push-pull pins on each trunk support arm. Pull the plastic arm cover away from the trunk once the pins are removed. Next, remove the 8 push-pull pins from the trunk liner as indicated by the red arrows. Lower the liner and disconnect the electrical connection for the inside trunk release, red arrow. You can now access the 2 light connections from inside the trunk, red arrows. Grasp the base and turn it 25 degrees counterclockwise. Pull the bulb base out from the assembly. The bulb is a wedge bulb. To replace it, simply pull it straight out of the base and push the new one in. Never touch the glass of the bulb with your bare hands, as oils from your skin can cause a hot spot and diminish the life expectancy of the bulb. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.